throw at you another thought on this broken chord. We don't always have to start our song in root position. What if we started in first inversion of that A chord? Remember, to invert a chord, I just take that bottom note, I throw it up an octave. That's all I'm doing, literally. I still have all three notes of the A major chord here, C sharp, E, and A. Watch what happens here. My voice leading changes. I go to get from the A to the E, I'm going to do that. And that's how I'm going to get to the F sharp minor. And I end up in a root position, dirty D. Check it out. Now down to the E. Why is that the correct voice leading? Because you have to keep that common tone E. That's the rule of voice leading. Keep your common tones. Now moving up to the F sharp, I could go down here, but this is less movement actually. To get up to that F sharp, minor, and then the dirty D, of course, I keep my two common tones, F sharp and A, and that C sharp goes up to E. So, watch what happens now with my broken chords.